everyone, it's Kathleen with Kathleen Embroidery, and I'm here to bring you a super simple and easy tutorial on how to make digital mock-ups to send to your customers. So let's get started. The first thing you'll do is open up the design that you're wanting to do the mock-up with, and then go into your settings and change the background of the grid to be white. I'm going to show you here now on how to do that. Super simple and easy. Mine's already white. I keep it white all the time, but it does usually come with a light yellow color. You'll click apply and OK, and then go into view and deselect view grid and view hoop. And then from that, you will take a screenshot. If you're on a Mac, it'll be Command Shift 4. If you're on a Windows, you should have a keyboard command that says print screen. Then you'll drag and drop the file into Canva or upload it through Canva. From there, you'll go to whatever website that the t-shirt or item is on that you want to do the mock-up with, and you will take a screenshot of that or save it to your computer as well. Then you'll simply drag and drop the t-shirt into Canva again, just like you did the design earlier. And you'll expand it to make it look right, and you'll simply just click BG remover, which means background remover. I do believe you have to have the paid version of Canva. It's about $120 a year. If you don't have the paid version, there are websites that you can look up that are called background removers as well. I just like the convenience of having it easily accessible through Canva. The only worry that I have about doing mock-ups is that you want to make sure that you have the correct scale to size with the design and the outfit. You don't want it to be deceiving on how big or how little the design will be to the customer. That's the only thing that you want to be mindful about. Last but not least, you want to save it to your computer and you're ready to go.